Hello and welcome back to this new episode. So we did create the command product class, everything is ready. Now let's see how to put this in action. So right here I just want to mention that I added the core prefix, which is actually, it's just for autocomplete stuff inside the IDE, but you could just keep it for object model, no worries. Alright, now to provide this command product class, we need to load it right here. Okay, so first of all I start by doing a require once, just to load that class, and I'll be using a predefined variable which is PS module dir. So as the name mentions, it's the containing PS module dir. It's containing this or the root to this folder, right? So if you control click on it and move to define.inc, you could see right here it's pointing to the modules folder. So everything should be simple at the point. And right here we have to concatenate the command product.php, and okay, I just have to check that if there is a slash or not. So there is a slash, so you need to do slash command, and right here we'll do slash the file name, which is product.php. So right here .php, pretty good. And the next thing now, since we do have this class loaded into our file, we could create an instance from it. And to do that, I would like to stick with the logic, and we need an instance when we do submit data. We don't need an instance right here when we don't really need it, right? So right here I will do new command product class, or command product equals to new dot class, and there you go. So the next thing is to fill the data of this this instance. So now if I do command product arrow, I have access to all the possible fields that are actually defined inside that object. So control click, and there you go, I'm redirected right here. So yet again, I'll just put this core to autocomplete stuff, no worries. And we could also do cannot do that actually, but we have to also define the product user, the product ID, and the user ID, and the command, it's already there, and that's it. Command, okay, great. Now we could run a save method, which, as the name explains, it does save that object or persisted to be more adequate to the database. Simple as that.